Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Geo for Geography and myself Akshay Guru. So I'm here again with one interesting concept today that actually forms a point of atmospheric disturbances. So this is what I'm taking it under the pocket topic section. It's just because कि इसमें मैंने already content बना रखा है, तो that is one page content you will find everything about this particular topic. So I think you are now having a the full screen जिससे आप screenshot ले भी सकते हो, so that you can keep with it, and I'll make sure कि in the comment box this link will be given to you as well. ठीक है? So now see tornadoes. Again examination perspective से ये point बड़ा important है, and from that view you need to understand कि what exactly tornadoes are. देखो tornadoes आपने देखा भी होगा, जैसे in the months of April, May in the Delhi, North India, you will find कि एक ना dust storm जैसे या एक थोड़े से violent circulation जैसे कुछ चीज़ें चलती है ना. तो ये जो violent circulation जिसको हम तूफान कहते हैं, कभी आंधी कहते हैं, right? So more or less it is like this tornadoes वाला case है. क्यों, कैसे? Now you will get to know over in this video itself. देखो, see tornadoes. So tornadoes is a violently rotating column of air that extends from thunderstorm to the ground. Now thunderstorm to the ground, it means it is kind of an extension of thunderstorm, a violently rotating thunderstorm, its extension that connects with the ground. That is what a tornadoes in itself. अब देखो, for that matter you must have a clarity कि thunderstorm भी क्या है ना. Thunderstorm. Now what is thunderstorm? The name itself, thunderstorm. So storm that is accompanied with the lightning and thunder, that is a thunderstorm itself. So that usually developed as a unusual atmospheric phenomena कि जो regular developed नहीं होगा, it is a bit irregular process in itself. So tornado is just a violently rotating column of air that connects with the ground and has the capacity to uproot and uplift, that everything that comes in between, अगर उसकी इतनी potential है, it can uplift and uproot the same thing. So tornadoes are vertical funnel of rapidly spinning air. So tornadoes are like vertical funnel, right, of rapidly spinning air. That is what these tornadoes are. This way you will find कि ये ऐसे वर्क करेगा इस केस में. Now अब यही tornadoes are equally having some other forms, or we can tag them as atmospheric disturbances. देखो कौन से tornadoes like twisters. So twister is the same या alternative known as the tornadoes, more or less same phenomena. हाँ, दो maybe region and locality basis पे इसका nature और condition change हो सकती है, but फिर भी you will find कि more or less same area में आ रहा है और name conditions में आ रहा है. Second, water sprout. See, the name itself indicate water sprout. So water sprout, it means it is that atmospheric disturbance that develops over the water, more or less like a tornado, and these are like a weak twisters. Weak conditions से developed हो रहा है this tornado or twister that forms over warm water, sometimes move inland and became tornadoes. So it originates from the warm water, however may enter into the mainland territory and becomes like a tornado in itself. Then dust devils खैर ये nomenclature जो है you will find in the European and Western American region, are small rotating rapid column of air visible by dust and dirt. Yeah, visible by the dust and dirt. So this tornadoes, on that count you will find dust devils, कि ये comparatively small होंगे but rotating, quick rotating dirt and dust के ये accumulations होगा this one. Then fire tornadoes क्या है? Spawn from wildfires. The fire tornadoes, the name itself indicate कि इनका origin कहीं ना कहीं fire से हुआ है, and that's why they are the fire tornadoes. I hope this different nomenclatures or different forms of tornadoes are now pretty much clear to you all. ठीक है. सो ये वाला अगर आपको चाहिए तो इसके आप इमेजेस डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, है ना, एक बार व्यू कर सकते हो ओवर ऑन द गूगल. ना वेयर यू, अच्छा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पहले देखते हैं. व्हाट आर द कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दिस टोर्नेडो? You'll find, see, it is preceded by thunderstorm, and as as already discussed कि thunderstorm से connected है, so there must be a presence of thunderstorm, before the arrival of the tornado itself. So thunder, lightning, and that storm, huge wind speed that observe 250 miles per hour. 250 miles per hour, that makes the system much more violent on the scale. Then local storm up to 100 kilometers, you will find there. Hence prediction is very difficult. So what, see, tornadoes का केस क्या है, because it is a short lived, short range, short conditions, atmospheric condition, and due to which what you will find, it leads to very limited predictability. क्यों? क्योंकि ये एक तो irregular time पे डेवलप हो रहा है, वेरी स्मॉल रेंज ऑफ अकरेंस है, और इस वजह इतना डैमेज लीड कर रहा है कि इसमें जो भी हम प्रेडिक्ट या जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग कर सकते हैं ओनली आफ्टर द डिजास्टर कॉस्ट, and that is why its prediction is very difficult. Same goes for the thunderstorm equally, tornadoes, water spouts, इस सारे के लिए prediction becomes much more difficult. Now what causes thunderstorm and tornadoes to develop? See what causes this to develop. अब the tornadoes are developed in connection with the thunderstorm. Again the same, already जैसे discuss किया, it forms when warm humid air collides with the cold and dry air, when the two different properties of air masses are trying to merge together or interact. अब यहाँ पे कुछ conditions are getting suitable, for the case of development of tornadoes. The lighter warm air, जो warm air है वो light होती है as you know, and cold air is dense. So lighter warm air rises through the cold air causing an updraft. तो क्या होगा, warm air uplift होगी, cold air नीचे रहेगी, as you know जैसे warm air ऊपर जाएगी lapse rate वाला phenomena applicable होगा. Lapse rate leads to decline in temperature with increase in height, right? And this then would lead to the lowering achievement of possibly condensation point, and then leads to the thunderstorm and tornadoes. An updraft will begin to rotate faster, and mesocyclone forms, and jet stream provides energy furious to make it tornado then. Yeah, so see, even for the formation of tornado there is role of jet stream. Yes, अगर कभी क्वेश्चन आता भी है in examination in the prelims, right? So what you are supposed to mention, even yes, agreed with the jet stream and its role over in the tornadoes formation. I hope you all are getting. देखो क्या है, simply warm air mass, cold air mass अगर ये move कर रहा है तो warm air mass जो है वो light है, वो moisture है, humid है, तो ऊपर जाएगी, condensation point achieve होगा, condensation point से you'll find that would lead to a precipitation, and jet streams are equally playing a role for this violent circulation there. Now when you will find this development, generally when and where, दो क्वेश्चन बचे अभी हमारे. When they can occur at any time, any time, either day or night, that doesn't matter, day or night. Conditions are what supreme. अगर condition night में developed हो रहे तब भी, condition day में developed हो रहे तब भी. Afternoon is rather the most common time, preferable time for this tornadoes formation. Q, the reason being because these tornadoes are the heat driven phenomena, है ना. तो जितना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा, ड्राई कंडीशंस प्रिवेल्ड होगी, तब क्या होगा, इसको एनर्जाइज होने का मौका ज़्यादा मिलेगा, ये चांस मिलेगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आफ्टरनून इज रादर द सुटेबल और दैट प्रिफरेबल टाइम. एंड सीजन वाइज समर, अर्ली स्प्रिंग, राइट, समर टाइम कंडीशन अर्ली स्प्रिंग, अप्रैल एंड मे अगेन इन दी नदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, एंड विंटर में सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में यू विल फाइंड दैट सितंबर अक्टूबर वाला टाइम है, दैट मेक्स द सी टोर्नाडोज रादर रियलिटी that develops on the ground. Now the last point, where they are getting developed. When देख लिया हमने, how देख लिया हमने, properties देख लिया हमने, definitions और forms भी देख लिए. Now the last point that remains, where this developed. See, there are like tornado alleys are there. ठीक है, tornadoes alleys, a region that include the area in the eastern state of Dakota, Kansas, Texas and Colorado. Right, ये American states है, where you will find these are the different states lying on the coast of the America, जहाँ पे ये most commonly developed tornadoes are developed there, right, and that's why this region is known as Tornado Alley. US is the most common hotspot 80 deaths per year has, they are usually registered over in the US due to the same case. UK, India and Argentina are equally common. Yeah, this phenomena of tornado is equally common. So I hope tornado as a phenomena is now pretty much clear to you guys. जिसमें हमने देखा tornado is that something that is related with the thunderstorm. It is a violent rotating column of air extended from the thunderstorm and more mainly like a cumulonimbus cloud. क्यों बन रहा है? warm air और cold air का interaction, warm air get uplifted, jet stream का rolls हो रहा है and then the condensation and that leads to the tornado formation. कब बन रहा है? Mainly in the spring, summers, April, May in the northern hemisphere, September, October, November in the southern hemisphere, or where the tornado alley is rather very famous for the US, right? Very famous for hotspot of this. India, UK, Argentina, or Baki region you will find are equally having its occurrences. So I hope ये point of tornado is pretty much clear to you all. If you really like this video guys, so please don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel. और अगर आपको ऐसे ही videos चाहिए on different topics, so please let me know in the comment box. I'll try my best to have video on this. Thank you.